Hi there! In this video, we'll be learning how to make prawn coconut rice. Now, this is a tasty rice dish you'd really enjoy. The ingredients you'll need are 2 cups of coconut milk, 3 cups of rice, fresh prawns, about 250 grams, 2 cups of stock, salt to taste, 4 cloves garlic, 1 cup sweet corn, 1 cup green peas, 2 medium-sized scotch bonnets, green chilies, and 5 small carrots. So let's get started. Now the first step is to place the pot on the cooker and add the cooking oil into the empty pot. Next, I'll be mincing the garlic with the mincer. So you just mince the garlic and add it into the pot with the hot oil. We're going to stir fry this for a few minutes, about 1 minute, so it doesn't get burnt. Just give it a good stir. Mine is already burning, so I'm going to add the deveined prawns. So you gently add the deveined prawns into the pot and let it fry. I'm going to spread it out a little to ensure the garlic oil touches the prawns. So as you're adding it into the pot, just make sure you spread it out. You move it around in the pot so it cooks. Yep. I'm going to add salt to taste, then flip the prawns. Oh, looks so good. Just flip it, give it a good flip, just as I'm doing right now. Now this is to ensure the other part cooks also. Now you leave this to cook for about 2 minutes on each side, then remove from the pot and set aside. But make sure you move it around the pot so it doesn't get burnt, okay? And it's ready. So I'm going to remove this into a separate dish. Just gently put them into the dish one by one. Next, I'll add the stock. Now for this recipe, you could use prawn stock, poultry stock like chicken, turkey, or for a more intense taste and flavor, beef stock. So you add the stock and let it boil. For this, I'll be using chicken stock. For this recipe, I used chicken stock, but you could use any stock. Next, you add the parboiled rice. Now, I noticed that this particular type of rice is simply amazing. You don't need to parboil it just on your own. It has already been parboiled. It doesn't have lots of starch in it, therefore it doesn't stick together once it's cooked. Now, I'm going to put the brands I would recommend for you to buy somewhere in the folder. Okay? Yeah. So we're going to leave this once you add the rice. Now it's time to add the coconut milk. So you just pour that gently into the pot. Yes, just gently add the coconut milk. And mix. Then add salt to taste. Just sprinkle that in. Add water, then cover the pot and leave to cook for about 15 minutes. And the rice is ready. Yes, it looks perfect, doesn't it? Can you see how the strands are like on their own? So I'm going to mix it to combine everything before adding the veggies to make sure everything gets mixed in the pot. Can you see how single-stranded the rice is? That's the way it's meant to be. Okay, so first I'll add the chopped carrots into the pot. Just add that in. Next, I'll add the sweet corn into the pot. And after the sweet corn is added, the next to go into the pot will be the cooked peas. Just sprinkle that in to the pot. Next, I'll add the chopped green chilies and the red chilies. Now, if you don't really want your coconut rice to be peppery, you could skip adding the red and green chilies. So you mix. Just give it a good mix as I'm doing right now. And it's done. Now, finally, it's time to add the cooked prawns. So I'm just going to gently add that in. Remember, it's cooked, so we're going to leave this to steam, with the rice a little.
Nice. Prawns with ham. Very line.
And your prawn coconut rice is ready. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Yes. Can you see how it looks? Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Are you hungry? I think I am. So now it's time to serve. Now you can serve this with any side of your choice. Time to dish it out.
Also, stuff the things that have very hard.
Just dish out the rice and then the prawns would go on top. That looks so amazing. I'm serving mine with salad. Really yummy. Time to try it. Yummy. Another one. Perfect.
If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Until next time, bye-bye.